Let us solve practice set 2.5. Question number 1 is the one activity. There are 3 examples. Number 1, quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. There are 2 values of discriminants are given. Here b square minus 4ac equal to 5. Then find the nature of roots. Here delta is greater than 0. Therefore, nature of roots is roots are real and unequal. Real and unequal. Then b square minus 4ac equal to minus 5 means delta is less than 0. Therefore, nature of roots, the roots are not real. Not real. See, example number 2. Sum of roots equal to minus 7 and given here product of root is 5. If sum of roots is given and product of roots also given, then quadratic equation is in the form x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. X square minus product of two roots is 5. Sum of roots say minus 7. So minus alpha plus beta, this is minus 7x plus product of root means alpha into beta is given 5 equal to 0. Therefore, the equation is x square plus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. Therefore, here x square plus 7x plus 5 equal to 0 is required equation. Then see example number 3. If alpha and beta are roots of quadratic equation, then from this example given 2x square minus 4x minus 3 equal to 0. From this equation find the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. We know that alpha plus beta equal to minus b upon a. From this equation value of b is minus 4, value of a is 2. So here minus 4 by 2 equal to 4 by 2 equal to 2. And we know that alpha into beta equal to c upon a. Value of c is here minus 3 and a is 2. So if we put the values, alpha into beta is minus 3 by 2, and therefore here alpha plus beta is 2 and alpha into beta is minus 3 by 2. Example number 2, find value of discriminant. Number 1, x square plus 7x minus 1 equal to 0. Comparing x square plus 7x minus 1 equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a equal to 1, b equal to 7 and c equal to minus 1. Then value of discriminant means delta equal to b square minus 4ac. b square 7 square minus 4 into value of a is 1 and value of c is minus 1. Therefore, 7 square is 49 minus plus 4. Therefore, value of delta is 53. Then see example number 2, 2y square minus 5y plus 10 equal to 0. In this example, a equal to 2, b equal to minus 5 and c equal to 10. You can solve this example. Here, take example number 3. That is root 2 x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 equal to 0. Comparing given equation, root 2x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a equal to root 2, b equal to 4 and c equal to 2 root 2. Then value of delta means discriminant, b square minus 4ac. Put the value of b, that is 4 square minus 4 into value of a is root 2 and value of c is 2 root 2. Simplify this, solve. 4 square is 16 minus, here 4 into 2 8, root 2 into root 2 2, that is 8 into 2 equal to 16. Therefore 16 minus 16, therefore delta equal to 0. Now question number 3. Determine the nature of roots of given equation. To determine the nature of roots, first we have to find the value of delta. So here question number 1 is x square minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Here you can directly write down the values of a, b, c also. That is x square minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Here a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4 and c equal to 4. Then value of delta, that is b square minus 4ac. b square is minus 4 bracket square minus 4 into 1 into value of c is 4. This is 16 minus 16 equal to 0. As delta equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. Then roots are real and equal. Then take second example is 2y square minus 7y plus 2 equal to 0. This is given equation 2y square plus minus 7y plus 2 equal to 0. In this equation a equal to 2, b equal to minus 7 and c equal to 2. Then find the value of delta, b square minus 4 ac. Then put the values minus 7 bracket square minus 4 into value of b a is 2 and value of c is also 2. Therefore this is 49 minus 16. 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16. So if we subtract this, the value is 33. As delta is greater than 0, then roots are real, but here roots are not equal. If delta equal to 0, then roots are equal. Here delta is greater than 0, then roots are real and unequal. Example number 3, you can solve this example. Then question number 4, form a quadratic equation from the roots. Example number 1, 0 and 4. Let alpha and beta are roots of required equation. Then take alpha equal to 0 and beta equal to 4. First we find the sum of two roots, that is alpha plus beta equal to 0 plus 4 equal to 4. Then product of two roots, that is alpha into beta, equal to 0 into 4 equal to 0. Then the required quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. Put the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. That is x square minus alpha plus beta is 4 and 4 into x, and alpha into beta is 0 equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. There are 4 examples in this question number 4. I take example number 4. You can solve example number 2 and 3. So example number 4, the roots are given 2 root 5 and 2 plus 2 minus root 5 and 2 plus root 5. Here also let alpha and beta be the roots of given or required equation. Let alpha equal to 2 minus root 5, beta equal to 2 plus root 5. First find out alpha plus beta, that is 2 minus root 5 plus 2 plus root 5. Here minus root 5 plus root 5 cancel. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Then find alpha into beta. In one bracket put the values 2 minus root 5 and value of beta 2 plus root 5. Observe here, there is sum of 2 and sum of two numbers and difference of two numbers. So its expansion is a square minus b square, means square of first term, and square of minus square of second term. So this is 2 square minus root 5 bracket square, that is 2 square equal to 4. Root 5 square is 5. So alpha into beta equal to minus 1. And therefore the required quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. Here alpha plus beta, put the values x square minus alpha plus beta is 4 into x plus alpha into beta equal to minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore the equation is x square minus 4x plus into minus 1 equal to 0. Practice set 2.5, question number 5 and 6. These are the star questions. Let us solve these questions one by one. First given equation is 5. Given equation is x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 equal to 0. Here I write this k plus 3 in the bracket. Then comparing this equation with x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then we have a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4k and c equal to k plus 3. Let alpha and beta are roots of given equation. Then we find alpha plus beta equal to minus b upon a. Minus b upon a, put the values of b and a. Value of b minus 4k and value of a 1, and therefore its value is 4k. Then find the alpha into beta, means product of two roots, and it is in the terms of coefficient written as c upon a. Value of c is k plus 3 and a is 1, that is k plus 3. This is number 1 and 2. But here condition is given that sum of roots of a quadratic equation is double their product. Means alpha plus beta is twice alpha into beta. This is given. So this is number 3. From 1, 2 and 3, put the value of this alpha plus beta, alpha into beta in 3. Alpha plus beta equal to 4k. Alpha into beta equal to in bracket k plus 3. Reason from 1, 2 and 3. If we solve this 4k equal to 2k plus 3. That is 4k minus 2k equal to 6. Here 4k equal to 2k plus 6. Therefore 4k minus 2k equal to 6, and therefore 2k equal to 6, and therefore k equal to 3. This is the value of k. Then see example number 6. Alpha and beta are roots of, equation is given y square minus 2y minus 7. Then find the values of alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube. First of all, I write the given equation. That is, the given equation is y square minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. Alpha and beta are roots of given equation. Therefore, this alpha plus beta equal to minus b upon a. From the equation, value of b here minus 2. Therefore, minus 2. Value of a 1 equal to 2 by 1 is 2. Then alpha into beta equal to c upon a. Value of c minus 7. Therefore minus 7. These are the values of alpha plus beta 2 and alpha into beta minus 7. Then first we find the value of alpha square plus beta square. We know the identity that alpha plus beta bracket square equal to alpha square plus 2 alpha into beta plus beta square. Then put the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta in this. Alpha plus beta equal to 2 square equal to alpha square plus 2 into minus 7 plus beta square. Therefore, this is 4. This alpha square plus beta square. 2 into minus 7 minus 14. And therefore, this alpha square plus beta square equal to 4 minus 14 plus 14. That is alpha square plus beta square equal to 18. Similarly, second point, that is alpha cube plus beta cube. We know the identity alpha plus beta bracket cube equal to alpha cube, I write here, second is alpha cube plus beta cube. I write here alpha plus beta bracket cube equal to expansion of this is alpha cube plus 3 into alpha into beta in bracket alpha plus beta cube. Then put the values of alpha plus beta means 2 cube equal to alpha cube plus 3 into minus 7 into 2 plus beta cube. Then 2 cube is 8. This alpha cube plus beta cube. Then we solve this 3 into 2 6. 6 into 7 minus 42. Therefore this alpha cube plus beta cube equal to this 8 minus 42 here plus 42. 8 into plus 42 that is 50. So value of this alpha cube plus beta cube is 50. Example number 7. The roots of each of the following quadratic equations are real and equal. Then find the value of k. Here we solve the example one by one. Example number 1. Equation is given 3y square plus ky plus 12 equal to 0. Here we find the value of k. From this equation, a equal to 3, b equal to k and c equal to 12. Then find the value of discriminant. Delta equal to b square minus 4ac. Put the value of b, that is k square minus 4 into value of a is 3. Value of c is 12. Therefore this is k square minus 144. 4 into 3 into 12, 144. But given the roots of this equation are real and equal. The roots are real and equal. This is given. Therefore, this delta equal to 0 means k square minus 144 equal to 0. This is k square minus 12 square, that is a square minus b square. So in one bracket k plus 12, another bracket k minus 12 equal to 0. Therefore k plus 12 equal to 0 or k minus 12 equal to 0. Therefore k equal to minus 12 and k equal to plus 12. There are two values of k, that is minus 12 and plus 12. Then second example, given kx in bracket x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. Kx in bracket x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. First we multiply this kx to the bracket, that is kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. From this equation a equal to k, b equal to minus 2k and c equal to 6. Find the value of delta as delta equal to b square minus 4ac. Put the value of b minus 2k bracket square minus 4 into value of A is K, value of C is 6, minus 2K bracket square, minus 2 square is plus 4, this is K square, minus 24K. Here also the roots are real and equal. This is also given. Therefore, this 4K square minus 24K equal to 0. From this, take 4K as common term. So, remaining is here K minus 4 is taken common from 24. Therefore, here is 6. K is also taken common. Therefore, 4K in bracket K minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore, this 4K equal to 0 or K minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore, K equal to 0 or K equal to 6. Observe here, if K equal to 0, this equation K equal to 0, this term becomes 0. K equal to 0, this term becomes 0. Therefore, this equation is not meaningless. It is not an equation. Therefore, K equal to 0 is not acceptable. Therefore, because value equation is meaningless. Therefore, value of K is 6.